Do this? Alright, that's good. I just wanted to know that. Okay.
Go, why you mad, Daddy?
Nuh-uh, she's not mad. She just upset. So I just Mel was making me mad, and I gotta go talk to him. Okay, every time I say his name, we gotta. Oh, all right. We won't say his name anymore. Can we say Jayla? Is Jayla good? Jayla's your friend. What about mommy? Is mommy okay? Just Mel? Just Mel makes you mad? Nobody? Oh, you're good now? Okay. What is that? What are you doing? You going to talk? Oh. What is? Oh, is that mommy? You see mommy's phone? Are you talking to her? Oh, okay, okay. All right, all right, all right. Well, we won't. We'll try not to upset the baby, okay? We won't upset the baby. All right. You cool now? You good? Oh my. Oh, where are you going? All right. Well, you can't be yelling at people. All right. Are we calm? Oh. She's funny. She get frustrated or she gonna do something. Hey, all right, all right, all right.